One of the biggest problems that my students continuously have when I work with them is always that they write some code and they're excited about trying it out, but then it's not working and they can't figure out why it's not working. So when I'm there with them, it's usually quite all right, because I can sit down with them and we can go over the code and I help them find the mistake. And they become better at preventing mistakes and finding them over time. But at first, it's really frustrating if you can't find your mistake. Now, that has been like a really big obstacle for students to work by themselves on the video lessons that I provide, because they will sit down and they get 2 videos in, but then they create a mistake that they can't solve, right? So I'm super excited to be rolling out this new feature soon that I've built. Check it out. It helps students find their mistakes, and it essentially replaces my role as a teacher, allowing students to work by themselves and learn independently. Okay guys, check this out and tell me what you think. So in the video lessons, you know how they work, right? At the end, say you're supposed to try something out and it's not working the way it's supposed to. Well, now there's going to be a get help button, and it'll tell you you can get help finding mistakes in your code. So you can paste your code for each of the files that we're using. I just made like a random example here, so this isn't an actual project, but it would look somewhat like this. I have my index HTML here, not sure what's wrong with it. My style.css is coming in, and my script.js is coming in from here. Okay, actually let me, just for the fun of it, add some blank lines, just in case, you know, sometimes we do things a little different there. Maybe I'll mess up on some indentation as well. Alright, I don't know, where's my mistake? Okay, so all my code is here. Now help me find my mistakes. Whoopsies, I still have this for debugging. Alright, here's what we found. 1 mistake in index.html, 14 mistakes in script.js, no errors in style.cs, and then I did not paste anything for PHP. So let's take a look at index. So you see side-by-side comparison, and we see I missed a double quote right here. Okay, that's pretty easy to look at, but you can also change the settings. You can make it in a doc mode, or you can switch into an inline view, and then you have to apply the changes though. And then it shows you side by side like that. I actually like the medium theme best. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the 14 mistakes that I found in script. Let's take a look at how that turns out. Okay, side by side, all my mistakes here, or I mean line by line. That's actually difficult to view, so I'm gonna change it to side by side. But now, oh, I forgot a negative symbol here. Here my indentation is shown as being different, and that leads to all kinds of mistakes. But then further down, oh, I forgot a T in function. I forgot the minus sign here. I forgot the colon here. Point counter. Oh, I inserted a space here, and here's 2 extra blank lines. So I hope you guys can see how this could be really helpful for you, and pretty much doing what I have been helping you with, right? I've been always sitting down, oh, check line, I don't know, line 12, you have the indentation wrong in there. And this now tells you, right? In line 7, you missed the negative symbol. So I'm really stoked about rolling this out pretty soon for you. Of course, I'll have to update some of the videos to make sure all the code is there. But I think this can really help you learn by yourself, learn using the website, and then you don't even need me to be there. Tell me what you think. I hope you're just as excited as I am.